Hey y'all, happy Friday, Friday, yay. So, as you can see from the thumbnail and the title down below, we have a brand new subscription, and you guys, I could not be more excited to open this box. First, for many reasons. One, I have wanted to try this subscription for a while. And two, because I actually won this box. I won this box from Cad's Review. She has a channel here on YouTube as well as she has a page on Instagram, and I won this wonderful box. And as you can see again from the title, it is the Summer 2019 Decocrated. Y'all, this subscription has had my eye for I don't know how long. Everything looks so beautiful. It is all coordinated so well. So I can't wait to get in here and see what is in the summer box. I'm so excited. I'm literally like a kid at Christmas. Like Christmas in July legit is real for me right now. So I'm going to tell you a little bit about the subscription first, and then we will get to unboxing. So it is a quarterly home decor subscription, or seasonal. So every summer, fall, winter, and spring. It is free shipping. It is $79.99 a quarter. And it's unique items to make your home feel comfy, on trend, and perfectly for you. It's high quality decor. Like I said, it is $79.99 quarterly. You can pay annually for $287.99, so that's actually a 10% savings. You do get a free gift with any subscription. I will put a link down below to their website, and follow them on Instagram because they post so many cute pictures and sneak peeks and things like that. Their Instagram is @Decocrated. So like I said, I will put their website down below, and I'll put their Instagram handle down so you guys can head over and check them out there as well. So I am so excited, you guys. Let's get in here and see what the Summer 2019 Decocrated box has inside. And it's a big box. This is fragile. So, I honestly probably should have cut this before. Well, maybe not. Looks like it might be going easy. Because this box is pretty heavy too. So there must be some good stuff in here. Okay. It says, "Oh my, it's finally here. Woohoo, hooray, this is exciting. Let's do this." And that's exactly how I feel. What's next? Open, decorate, share. Recycle today for a better tomorrow. Oh, box made from recycled material. I love that. That's what it says when you open it. Ooh, ooh, ooh. Right here. This was falling out. And then this is, I love this. Oh, how exciting. Open it, open it. I'm opening it. And then it says, "Let's Decocrate." Right there. But actually first, before we Decocrate, let's get into this card or booklet. What are you? Ooh. Oh, this is cute. So we have a flamingo here. And then those summer days. So Decocrated, curated home, summer 2019. So this must be a booklet that tells us about all the products. All right, it says our story. Decocrated is our name and home decor is our game. We work hard year round researching trends, scouring Pinterest, and watching hours and hours of HGTV to curate the best in home decor so that you can look like a decorating maverick. Our mission is to make sure that we create a beautiful story every season and deliver it to your door so that you can focus on more important things in life, making some memories. Oh, that is so cute. And I love that they referenced HGTV and Pinterest and all that. That's awesome. So, all right. Let's get in here. And then we will... This really is going to be like Christmas because it's boxes inside of boxes. All right, so let's see what this item is. I guess I could have just done one side. All right. You know what I'm going to do? I'm actually going to go ahead and just get everything out of all these boxes and then come back and we will go over all of the items. So I will be back in just a second. All right, y'all, I am back. That was seriously like a workout. There were quite a few boxes inside that big box and I am like blown away. I've still left everything in bubble wrap so I don't fully see everything, but y'all, this looks, from what I can tell, to be amazing. So let's, I don't even know where to begin. So it has key pieces. So here it does show everything that is inside. Style sheet. School's out and summer is in, so get ready to welcome fun in the sun with candy-colored hues and cool summer icons. Be the hostess with the mostest by incorporating lush tropical foliage into your outdoor tablescapes and utilizing multifunctional pieces that also add style and purpose. So it's 3 interchangeable and seasonal decor, 4 everyday home accents, 1 organizational accessory, and 1 travel game. So this goes over a lot. Oh, so this first thing that we got, that picture that had like the flamingos on one side and those summer days, it's showing it here in this really cute frame, like clip frame right there. That is adorable. And so you obviously could do either side. That is super cute. Okay, now let's see what it goes into next. No, it is not. Okay. So we had this all right here together. This first item, you guys, is the cutest apron. Look at that. That is so adorable. And it feels very nice. And it's got the flamingos and wild and tropical and like palm leaves. So beautiful. And it shows a man grilling with this. I'm totally making my husband wear that. Oh my gosh. That is, oh, that is gorgeous. All right, so we also have in here, oh, now this is a little bit fancy. We have a set of 4 napkins. You can see they are rather large. Super soft, beautiful, very soft pink, corally, salmony, very beautiful summer color. I love this. They are 100% cotton. You can machine wash them on cold. That is good. So we can get a little fancy. I was wondering why it showed here a pro tip, Pinterest napkin folding ideas. And it shows like a cute way to fold the napkins. That is so cute. And then we also had in that little set, this guy right here. This is so cute. Okay, so this you can see obviously has the palm leaves, but it says Tic Tac Toe because inside we have some wooden X's and O's. And let me put them back in here before I lose one. The back side of the bag is the board. Y'all, that is so cute. Oh, that is so cute. Like, that is adorable. That is so adorable. Does it talk about those? Yes. The travel game. Are we there yet? Keep the kiddos or even the grown-ups entertained with this travel-sized game of tic-tac-toe, a classic that never gets old and one that you will never be too old to play. So it shows like, looks like maybe by the pool. So you could do that by the pool, a picnic, all kinds of stuff. So that is awesome. Now, the next thing I want to show you guys just looks gorgeous through bubble wrap, so I like want to open it. Right here. This is my favorite color. It is this gorgeous lantern. You guys, is that not beautiful? So gorgeous. So the lantern for those fun summer nights. Light up the night with this dazzling lantern that adds a pop of color to your outdoor tablescape. Create a tabletop oasis by adding some plant life, or adorn with a flameless candle and watch as it creates a luminescent pattern as night falls. So that is so cute. So they have it here like outside. They have it here with the plant in it, which is super cute actually. And then here just kind of sitting on a shelf hanging out. And because it's my favorite color, even after summer, that's probably going to be displayed somewhere in my house because it is so cute. All right, so then we have this guy right here. This is, oh my gosh. I can't get over this box. Every summer has a story. It's like a wooden plaque. That is so beautiful. I love this so much. This is the box art, a summertime message. Summer is all about sunsets and palm trees, fun times, and the ocean breeze. Every person has a summer story, so why not welcome new memories and shared adventures by showcasing this delightful box art. Not only does it work as a wall piece, but it is perfect for any tabletop. So, and here it does show hanging on the wall or on the table. And here it's actually on a shelf right above the lantern. So cute. All right. This is super cute as well. Bubble wrap. So this is just hello, but you can hang it on the wall and it's got hooks to hang things. How cute. Isn't that adorable? Hold it to where you can actually see. Hello. The hello hook, a functional welcome to your home. Well, hello to you too. Fun and functionality go together like Sandy and Danny with this metal hook, wall hook that's perfect for any home or office. Hang by any doorway with your summer essentials, or use it for more personal effects like jewelry or those new rad sunglasses you got at the local ma and pops. So it shows it like kind of, I'm guessing like in a doorway where you could hang like a tote or a hat, or even here with jewelry, headbands, and sunglasses. That is awesome. So I love that they're giving you multiple ways to use these items. So there is that guy. And then we have this guy. Oh, I love this saying. Rise and grind. Y'all, this is so cute. The back. Oh my gosh. So it's two-sided. The back says recipe for fun, a dash of good vibes, a glass of bubbly, a handful of besties, one epic playlist, blend well with endless nights. Yes. Is this not gorgeous? I love that it's double-sided. So beautiful. And this says the wood plaque. 2 is better than 1. Rise and grind is our motto, and now you too get ready to display the same go-getter attitude in your home or office. Once you're ready to wind down and enjoy what summer has to offer, flip this baby over and follow our simple instructions on our recipe for fun. It is summer after all. That is so cute. All right, and then we do have one more item, believe it or not. Like, if that wasn't enough, we do have one more item. This one has me curious. Oh, this is so cute. Oh, we got a little gel thing to keep it fresh. All right, so this is the vessel. It's like a little caddy. Isn't that cute? A cool caddy from the Style Shack. Cute, stylish, and multifunctional. This caddy is that and a bag of chips. Is all that and a bag of chips. Actually, it even holds them. Use it during a summer gathering to hold entertaining accessories, or bring it home and fill it with everyday essentials. Oh, I love this. Okay, so like, it's obviously showing here like some drinks or like napkins and utensils for like a party, but then here it's got like books and flowers or things. I actually think this would be a wonderful makeup brush holder. Or like makeup brushes. Oh, makeup brushes in the front and some palettes in the back. Like eye brushes. Oh, I just think I figured out what I was gonna do with this one. Y'all, this box was amazing. Like, these items coordinate perfectly. They're beautiful. They're useful. I absolutely love this box. Oh my gosh, I'm so happy that I won this. So thank you, Cad's Review, for throwing the giveaway with this. I cannot believe I won. I finally got to bring Decocrated to my channel, and that makes me so happy. And I am just in awe of these items and this box. So let me know your thoughts down below. I hope you have a wonderful Friday night. Again, don't forget about that 4,000 subscriber giveaway. That link, as well as a link to Decocrated. Go check them out. Sign up, y'all. This box, I can't wait. Oh my gosh, I can't even imagine what they're going to do for fall. Can you, oh my gosh. All right, So y'all definitely check it out. That link will be below. I hope you have a wonderful evening, and I will see you guys with the next one. Bye.